Hey Angel, I am leaving to hostel now and I am expecting a call from my parents. So see you in hostel.
Oh, it's Ritu's watch. She has left it here. Let me go and panic her. Hey Ritu, you are still in uniform? What are you searching for? Can I help you?
Please help me if you can. I missed my watch, Angel.
Ritu, come on, let's have our dinner. We can search for your watch after dinner.
No, Angel. You know, right? It's my grandpa's gift and it is very close to my heart.
Hey, stop. Stop crying, please. Here's your watch. Look, Ritu.
You silly. Where did you find it?
You are lucky, Ritu. It was lying on the ground. Hey, Ritu. When should we pay our science excursion fee?
I already paid it, Angel. But still, within a week time, we can register. I am very excited about our excursion.
Yes, I am really excited. I received money from my parents yesterday and I am yet to pay it. Ritu, I don't find my money here.
Angel, come here. Here's your money.
Thank you, ma'am. Wish to register my name for science excursion trip. And I was about to give this to you, ma'am.
That's good. I'm happy that you're joining and I will include your name for excursion. But remember, you should always take care of your belongings properly. Oh, Priya's birthday is on October 2nd. Dear girls, October 2nd is Priya's birthday. I believe forgiving her mistake and giving her a second chance will enlighten her. Let's all celebrate her birthday. Priya, wish you a happy birthday. God bless you. Also, I have a very special gift for you. Can you guess what it is?
Ma'am, thank you so much for arranging this. I have never celebrated my birthday in this way. I am so happy today. This is a cherishable memory for me.
You are in for the science excursion and that's my birthday gift for you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Sorry for my mistake.
It's okay, Priya. I can understand your situation. Don't worry. It's time to enjoy. It's your birthday.
It's okay, dear. Everyone makes mistakes at one point of time. But owning up, accepting and not repeating it is more important. I believe and I know that you won't do this again, my dear Priya. He is the father of our nation. Let's remember him and follow his principle of non-violence and truth.
Get to watch interesting videos like this by subscribing our channel and don't forget to like and share.